Why? Tadog sa naman niya para maturan. Yan, kapulo bata.
Iya.
Apa nating bale na pikinta ba turang ba bono kinta ba tikin la matentu nasa volume. It is a great pleasure for me to be here with you all today to commission this new Sianganga Fire Station. This project has extended the reach of the National Fire Authority to this growing Sianganga community, giving the people of Sianganga better access to emergency response services that can save lives, property and livelihoods from the threat of fires and other emergencies. Fire is a very catastrophic disaster that can destroy homes or businesses that have been built by our hardworking Fijians. A fire will leave unbearable pain and suffering that can take us back and possibly ruin our future for a better life. You must have all read stories or heard from someone in your family, friends or neighbors who lost everything to house fires or businesses that have been destroyed by fire, to know the true depth of unbearable pain and suffering they have gone through. Sadly, here in Sianganga, some of these fires have halted the path it had set for itself. We all remember the devastating fire to Naidu's shopping complex that destroyed a chain of businesses in 2003. A house fire incident at Natua Housing in 2014 that left 15 people homeless, and recently the Senganga Post Office fire last year that destroyed the Senganga Post Office. Such crises could have been avoided or impact quickly mitigated if NFA services had been more readily available in Senganga. These fires have shown us that the risks posed to the homes and businesses in Senganga are unacceptably high, and in a matter of few moments, fires can destroy everything. My government is concerned with the safety and well-being of all our beloved people living in Senganga and sought to establish and open a new fire station in Senganga, adding to the chain of new fire stations following the new Korolevu and Korobo fire stations last year. National Fire Authority Service Senganga Fire Station is the newest fire station to be opened in the country this year, and what a proud moment for the people of the Friendly North, especially the growing Senganga community. The opening of this new fire station will bring much needed and efficient emergency service response by the National Fire Authority right to the doorstep of the families and businesses here in Senganga and its neighboring communities. The National Fire Authority services actually extend beyond fires, as they also respond to emergencies relating to road accident rescue operations, hazardous material rescue operations, urban search and rescue operations, emergency ambulance services, floodwater rescue, assistance in rescue operations during natural disasters, as well as community education in relation to fire safety. National Fire Authority's presence in Sianganga will ensure the preparedness and growing resilience of your communities towards fires and other emergencies. NFA services will now be readily available to you, as you don't have to wait for Lambasa or Savu fire stations, which are of course far from Sianganga, to respond to your emergencies. Fires can happen anywhere at any time, not only in cities and towns. It can happen in villages or settlements, as we all use fire in our everyday living, whether it be cooking or for other use. For too long, these emergency services have been restricted to our urban centers, leaving our rural communities vulnerable. But this is changing, and my government's priority is to ensure that all Fijians get the basic services provided by the National Fire Authorities, fire emergency services, and to make it accessible to everyone, because the precious lives of our people are at stake. Today we are opening this new fire station in Sianganga that confirms another historical achievement under my government's Look North policy to safeguard the growing economic investments as well as installing stakeholder investor confidence. My government will remain committed to spreading these services throughout the Northern Division to expand the NFA shield of protection so as to cover as many of our people as possible. While NFA's presence here will bring a new level of security and protection to your community, that does not mean we become complacent. We all have a part to play in reducing the risk of fires and other crises that endanger our lives. We all need to shoulder the responsibility of making our communities safer. The National Fire Authority's statistics revealed that last year we attended to 147 structural fires where 7 lives were lost. It is my humble plea to you all to be fire cautious and take fire safety seriously in your homes and at your workplace or community. Day by day, we hear reports of house fires, and this is a concern to me as your Prime Minister. This year alone, 20 property fires have been recorded up until February, in which 18 were home fires and 2 were commercial fires. We need to make sure our electrical appliances are turned off and unplugged when leaving home or going to bed. We need to keep flammable materials out of our house and keep our gas containers away from heat sources. We need to keep hazardous materials away from children and teach the children the dangers of playing with fire, particularly when lighting candles or mosquito coils, even when cooking in the kitchen. Any of these activities have the potential to cause fires that can destroy homes and end lives. So please be vigilant. Please take this risk seriously. Please help us keep all our communities safe from harm. Ladies and gentlemen, Sianganga is a fast-growing developing community, a business center in Honolulu. Over the last few years, more business investments have been done here, which is evident by the presence of other businesses that are operating in this area. The operation of this new fire station also confirms our assurances to entrepreneurs in Fiji and abroad that your investments, your properties, and your businesses will be protected. And in this case, protected from fire. And it sends a strong message to the Fijian people that their homes will be protected. To our firefighters who will be working in this new fire station, I request that you serve these deserving communities to the best of your ability. You will be relied upon to provide life-saving services, and that is a responsibility that should be upheld and respected at all times. With that, it is my sincere pleasure to declare the new Sianganga Fire Station open. Fire station, sa ndong na fire station no ni ta na ko tamala mi ba kalong ga ta na kana ba ta ni lilu no na wala Bueno, no. Bueno, ko. Bueno, sit. Oh, dentro. It's from here.
Yes. Acknowledge some of the companies that
No,